What is going on, everybody? This is Andy.
And Gianna.
We are Simply AG. We are over here at Great Adventure for the Passholder Preview Night. It is the first night back at Great Adventure for the year. We are so excited. There's a ton of construction happening over here, from the Boardwalk to the new coaster. There's 5 new rides coming to the Boardwalk area. So excited for all the progress that's going to be coming this year and next year. So make sure you guys stay tuned for everything, because we're going to be trying to capture everything that we can. Today, we're just here to ride a few of the rides, kind of see some of the construction. That's mainly what I want to do. And the last main thing I want to do is ride El Toro with the new Retrack.
For sure. It's a chilly one today, so we'll
this
see
one
what
thing
gets
so
done.
for sure. It is cold though, my hands are freezing. We will be able to provide some on-ride footage for you guys through our meta glasses. It's gonna be vertical footage, but footage from us. And I think that's enough talking. Time to get back in the park, huh?
Let's do it.
Let's go. Officially back for 2026 season. First time at Great Adventure. Are you ready for this?
I am ready.
Let's go. Let's go do this. All right, we're in line now. There's a pretty big line. What are you most excited for?
El Toro Retrack.
That was pretty good. I can't wait to see the progress on the boardwalk and everything. It's gonna look so cool. The new coaster we saw, it's gone vertical. We are so excited. We can't wait to go see it. We are officially in. Let's go. Let's go have a good day. First things first, what are we doing? Are we going to the boardwalk or are we going to El Toro?
I think Boardwalk and then El Toro.
All right, we're gonna go look at the boardwalk, all the construction, all the updates to the new coaster. Then we're gonna go to El Toro.
Well, it's so light outside.
Exactly. Yeah, we want to make sure we can actually see everything when we get over there. Man, it feels good to be back on Main Street. That is awesome. Gianna just pointed out the characters are in safari gear because they just opened up like the safari inside the park again. So that's really cool. So I was wondering what they were gonna do about all the construction happening. They have the fences here. And look at the coaster. That is awesome. The coaster is officially vertical. Launching this way.
Yeah.
That's so sick.
So cool.
And then this concrete. Gianna and I, in particular, are pretty big concrete fans. Shout out to Victory Outdoor Services. We love his YouTube channel. Gianna and I sit there and watch him make concrete. Like anything, driveways, anything. Us seeing this concrete right now. It is so nice. It looks exactly like Boardwalk would. So you can see Superman right here, and then all the supports, and then the new stall, and then all that track. Just got done with El Toro. Oh my god, that retrack is so good.
It was so smooth.
She finally didn't get hurt on it for once.
Yeah, I mean, it could have been the jacket, but I felt like my neck wasn't breaking.
It was so good. It was so many like pieces that they did. It's still smooth the whole way, even on the older pieces. Like that second half, you are flying through it all.
I was saying you go into it so much quicker. You like flew. You used to fly, but I feel like it was faster today.
Even the lift hill felt faster today.
Yeah.
Gianna just found this outside El Toro. Very nice. It still has like the parachutes. Is that King Kong? King Kong? I don't know. I can't tell what that is. Ah, huge bummer. Flashes down. And it looks like complete empty queue, empty station. Dang it. Dang. Huge bummer. Temporary close sign. Hopefully it opens up. If not, tomorrow we'll hit it.
For sure.
Back row, for sure.
Hands up.
Yeah. With Flash being closed, we're probably gonna do Batman since we're over here. Then gonna do Nitro. We do have the meta glasses, so we're gonna be able to get on-ride footage from it. It is so cold out here on it. It's not like it could be colder, but like it is cold.
It's cold enough.
To be on roller coasters, it's definitely cold. Got the Batmobile over here. And also another closed sign. Dang it. We were about to go do it. We even got the glasses on and everything. Put our stuff in the locker and turned the corner and whoops, not going.
Not open. I mean, I haven't seen it run, so I guess I should have known that, but...
Guess we're gonna go try Nitro? Like, I haven't seen Nitro go into the bit, so I have no idea.
Got here, but
yeah. Hopefully it's still on. Man, maybe we should have done Medusa when we were over there, because this is the third ride that's closed. The entrance looks so good though. Just getting done with Nitro. It was chilly, but that was fun.
Very chilly. As you can hear in the video, I probably on the lift hill said it about 10 or 12 times.
It is really cold. We're probably going to be having to get out of here soon. So solid. Nitro's running so good. 2 trains tonight. We're able to get the meta glasses so you guys are able to see the POV. It's so cool wearing them. What I'm excited about too is not only getting footage, but also just being able to listen to music while I'm riding roller coasters now. Like, that is going to be the coolest thing. I haven't done it yet, but I'm dying to, because that's going to be awesome. Yeah, I don't know what the plan is right now. I want to hit like another coaster before we go, but Flash, I don't know if it's going to open. We just hit Nitro. Batman doesn't look open. Jersey Devil looks like it has a huge line, so not really sure what we're going to do, but maybe we'll go hit Jersey Devil now. Jersey Devil, that is still so good. It's a loop. Like, oh my god, it's so much fun. It's going behind us. That lift hill is crazy. Like, it's not very tall and drop over the hill and like actually start dropping. It just pulls you. It's so much fun. Just every element about it just so much fun. Seriously, like, I love these single rails. They're awesome. It's the only one that we've done. Like, we have to hit more of these. Gianna and I were just saying, I think this is a new ride. Huh.
I feel like we're in the room right now.
It's a ride perfect for you.
I'll get on.
Huge bummer Flash isn't open. Looks so beautiful right now. Nice outfits. Amazing, thank you guys. Yeah, you too. So here's one of the new restaurants, Main Street Pub, and it looks so well done. It's right here in Main Street. So Joker's over there. Can't see, but it says we got fish and chips and chicken wings.
And it says cold beer and shepherd's pie.
Nice. We're sneaking over to the sweet shop. Let's come over here and get some candy. What you getting? Bag secured. Let's go. So excited.
Nice ride home snack.
Yeah. Everyone, that is where we're going to do it for this one. It's a short and sweet little video, but we just came out here for Passholder Preview Night. just want to experience a ride, see the construction, see the new coaster. We are so excited. There is so many good things coming to this park. All the changes already made are amazing. Like, that new coaster, like I cannot wait to ride that thing.
That's gonna be so much fun. And I'm just so happy to all be at our home park.
Exactly, like to have all these changes and like such a good direction forward from our home park, like we're gonna be coming every single time. That is awesome. We're leaving now, but we're gonna be back tomorrow in a few hours. Like tomorrow's the official opening of the park. Gonna actually get fast lane, gonna eat some food, gonna experience some of the new restaurants. We're gonna just have a good old time tomorrow too.
I'll come a little bit more bundled up tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna bring gloves because my hands are freezing. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you guys like this one, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. We got a ton coming to you guys this season, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Well, this is Andy.
And Gianna.
And we are Simply AG. We'll catch you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.